Been a rough day so far. Need a little hopping gator. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is Mike here. Hope you're having a great day or night. I was thinking this morning, 15 years ago, I'd get up, I'd shower, slap on some Kenneth Cole shoes, put the slacks on, wear the old dress shirt, and head off to work. And just had me thinking, where would I be if I stuck with the corporate job? I left all that behind to do this, and I'm happy. And I think that's the most important thing. Am I making more money than what I did previously? Yeah, I am. The only downfall is the insurance. I'll be honest with you. It's the insurance that can cost a fortune, and you don't get very much for it. I think last year we spent close to $14,000 with the insurance we do have, but it just really had me thinking this morning, how I went from corporate side over here all the way to where I'm going right now to sell junk at a flea market. But I'm happy, life's great, and I can't complain, Can't look back and go, hey, maybe things could have been different, because I believe everybody has different paths in life that you can go to, and you can always change and do different things. But I think the most important thing is being happy. Money is money. Don't get me wrong. I'll be selling a lot of dollar items today, but it'll all add up, and at the end of the day, it'll be all good. So, with that being said, if you guys are out there being productive, making some cashola, hopefully that truck doesn't hit me. These truck drivers out here are kooky. So let's see what we do today. The one thing that does remain the same, whether it was working the corporate job or reselling, you still got to pay the tax man. You still got to deal with the IRS, and it's never fun when you deal with them, that's for sure. Especially when you start looking around and go, man, I'm giving you how much money? Anywho, I'm gonna head over here to the flea market this morning, set up shop. I'm only gonna spend a couple hours here, and then got to get back to shipping some stuff out and heading up to the storage unit. So we'll see what a couple hours will produce. We'll see if we get some buyers. We'll see if we get people to buy my junkage. All right, we're setting up here. Do a little walk over through here. Clothes, books, bags, games, toys. More books, toys. Got a little shelf here with some knickknacks. Patty wax, give a dog a bone. Got a little media thing here. CDs, movies. I got a bunch more I got to load in there. Electronics, crafting, randomness, Christmas stuff. You can never get rid of that stuff. Got these nice heat rocks for like an iguana or something like that. Got some magic stuff there. 2 boxes of vintage magic stuff. Here's the kitchen department. This is aisle 9. There's my gloves. And yeah, I'm gonna have to go buy some more tables because my van, as you can see, is still loaded with stuff. And here, I've got, let me go back up here. Got some tools, randomness mirrors. I got my clothing right there, but I'm not gonna take it out because it's too darn windy at the moment. But I got stuff in the back here I'm going through. Added more tools, more little knickknacks. What else we got? Just lots of smalls here. So I just opened up here, waiting for the first couple people to show up and hopefully buy my stuff. So yeah, pretty cool. The what was I going to show you guys? Oh yeah, this is nice. Come out of the storage unit. There's some nice little shot glasses. I wanted to test this out today because me and Kim were looking over these. In the storage unit we got, there was a bunch of jewelry making stuff. I got 4 little totes like this full of it, and I was thinking about doing Amazon or Etsy with it, or not Amazon, but Etsy or eBay, lot it all up and see what happens with it. But there's all these little charms and little necklaces and stuff like that. So I was curious to see if anybody over here found interest in this. If they did, I could bring more stuff back. Same with the seashells. I got quite a bit of them. Got bags in here. There's some nice ones in here. Bags full of them. There's some sand from I don't know what beach, but yeah, so we're going to start getting the rest of the stuff put out here, and we get some buyers. This thing's pretty cool. This came out with a storage unit. What does it say there? Handmade in Greece by Pella. Alright, so got everything out of the van. We're all set up. Kitchen department is looking good. Lots of stuff. Come on, shoppers. This wheelchair came out of the unit. Tried to get 40, 50 bucks for it. It's pretty nice. Plus, it comes with some kind of device. I don't know what that is. Looks like it lights up, maybe. I don't know. I should probably take it off, but I don't know. Lots of look-see-doozies so far this morning. Waiting on breaking that cherry. Give me that first sale. Come on now. Come on now. Got lots of junk. All right, so a lady just came over here and was like, how much you want for this? I said, $6. No, it's not worth that. And I said, what is it worth to you? She's like, $2. I said, well, how about $4? No, how about $2.50? I said, no. It's a nice piece. And she went on to tell me all this stuff that's not even worth that. I'm like, well, that's what I'm selling it for. She got all upset and moved on, so I don't know. I'm gonna get $6 for it. When she comes back, I'm gonna charge her $8. That's because that's how you roll. All right, let's ring it up. That's the first sale there. 4 wrestling DVDs at $2 a crack, $8. So hopefully that's a start of a good thing. And look who's back, little kitty. Come here. Oh, you're not gonna shop today? You wanna shop? I'll have to bring some treats for you. Okay, we'll see you next time. Figured I'd give the little global voodoo hut a little flair.
Make $1 million. Yeah, I like you bet.
I'm going to keep this for you right here, sir.
Hey,
so sometimes when people have stuff in their hand and they say, how much is this? And I always say, you know, what are you willing to pay for it? Because this couple just came by and they had some shelving in their hand. It wasn't much. I was going to say $2 for it all. She's like, how about $5? I'm like, deal. So a little tip, if you're ever a flea market person, you never know what people are willing to spend, so ask them first. Where'd you go? Oh, you just hanging out here? Just hanging out? Hi. You're a good, nice little kitty. Gotta bring your food. Say what?
Bat practice in 5 minutes.
Uh-oh. Spring training?
Right over there.
Uh-oh.
You got the bat cage.
Oh, sweet. Oh, you're gonna get in there, huh? Uh-oh. Just sold about $10 worth of kids' books to a woman here. There's some classic ones in here, some older ones. They're kind of in rough shape, but every time I get these out of units, I just kind of put them all together, and eventually people buy some of this stuff. I actually sell more of the children's books than the average stuff, so. But yeah, I got a lot more books. I threw a bunch of them out months ago, but with these units, I've got quite a bit still. Probably bringing more here in the near future. Pumps?
Yeah.
They're great for, you know, if you're riding bikes and stuff like that. And
Yeah. You gotta be warm. You try to pop that thing out, especially those tough. Try to pop that thing and they'll bite you.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate it. Yeah, if there's anything wrong with it, I'm here. You can always bring it back. If no questions asked, and I'll give you your money back. Our lady was interested in the Dyson here and the jumper cables for 45 bucks total on both of them. She's going to run to Walmart, so I said, yeah, I'll hold them for you. We'll see if she comes back. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Have a great day.
You asked me for your teapot.
That one I'm looking for 5. That's like a musical bell. Sun is coming out here, that's for sure. Found some items here, just a little painting for 25, which was pretty cool. Hand painted. I don't know, maybe it was worth $1 million, but I said, how about 30? He goes, how about 25? I said, deal. So between that and the Dyson, those are the top 2 items I sold so far. A lot of smalls. You're buying smalls. So sold a little digital camera for 10. But yeah, still humming along with all this craziness. All right, appreciate it. Thank you very much. Not a bad day here. Probably get another 20-30 minutes. No action on the kitchen stuff. Not surprising. But did sell some stuff. So we'll grind it out in another 30 minutes and call it a day. Okay, we're all packaged up here. Calling this an afternoon. We'll see the hut tomorrow morning at the good old Shoppers Barn Flea Market. 4.5 hours, $186 later. Again, all from junk coming out of storage units. Little dollar items there. There was the Dyson, there was the painting, but all that little money adds up. Some of you might be saying right now, oh, that wasn't worth your time, this is that. Hey, I enjoy it, I have fun, I make some money doing it, so whatever keeps me happy and pays the bills is all right with me. Voodoo, voodoo, voodoo. Got a phone call from my buddy at the storage facility. I was going to head over there today anyway, and he's interested in buying everything. So I'm going to head over there and get some stuff out so I can bring it to the flea market and then kind of see what's left. Maybe we can work a deal. He was pretty cool about it. He was like, listen, you know, you can grab whatever you want out of there. Just, you know, leave a pile of stuff, and I got connections for furniture, so I can buy it from you, sell it to them. So that might work out pretty good for both of us. So we'll see. Time will tell. Been a rough day so far. Need a little hoppin' gator. Life of Resar, Kim. Hoppin' gator, Schmitz Bach beer. Freaking smashed here. Oh man, Heritage House. Isn't that the coffee company?
I don't know.
Heritage House. Thought they made coffee. Finessed beer. Let's open one of these up.
Ugh.
Old German premium lager. These are cool cans.
They are cool cans.
Other ones? Oh yeah. Peter Hand extra light beer. It's a special Pilsner. All right, we're at the unit. Nothing really too much craziness. Got a couch here, a washer dryer, more boxes of totes, some more furniture pieces, some shelving, dining room table, and then everything's out here. So at the moment we're just going through it all to see what we're dealing with here. I still got the bed, all these little furniture pieces here, and then just boxes and tables and chairs. So that shelf's nice. I mean, it's solid piece, heavy. More bed frames, but yeah, I think the treasure hunting's pretty much done. Besides what's in the boxes, I gotta bring them home and go through them, but that's about it. Well, there we go. This unit's pretty much done. Wrapping it up for some cash and some tradage. So that solves the problem. Got a whole load in front of us here that my buddy over here is helping me with, and then we got a load in the van, but we're completely free from this unit. I got 2 more pieces in that unit I want to pull out, but other than that, it's done for that. Got home pretty late tonight after some work. The unit is pretty much done. We're going to do some bartering, some cash paying, some trading. I'll show you guys what transpired with that pretty soon. I'm really happy about that, and we have some new additions to the family that I'll be showing you guys pretty soon. Yeah, you just never know with this business when it comes to storage units, when it comes to anything, bartering, trading. The kids are happy, Kim's happy, I'm happy, so that's all that matters. Thanks for watching today's video, guys. Go out there and be great. Next time I'm out here, peace. Vlog over. I guess we're having batting practice. Let's go check her out. What are you doing? Hitting balls? 4? $5 a car? Now, what kind of bat does the professionals use?
This is a Louisville Slugger.
I better back up over here before somebody gets hurt. Swing, batta, batta. Ooh!
Oh, look at that thing go! Down the left field line.
Ooh!
That's enough. 2 for 2, I'm done.
Man, you should have played for the Cubs.
What? They called me.